Okay. I think it will be recording, but anyway, it should be. It looks like it's recording right now. So let's see what happens. Okay, it's showing though. You can see. Oh, you cannot see my screen, but it's showing a red mark. Okay, so I I hope it's recording. Yeah. Okay. So Sunny bhai and Mohit bhai, do you understand this thing so far? Okay. Now see, there is a square bracket in the person, right? You can put it there and you don't have to put it there. There is a meaning. Now we don't have to worry about this little thing now. We will talk later. Okay. And that's not important. So you can put it there. You don't have to put it there either. Either way is fine. For now, just take it like that. So for our understanding is select star from table name. That's it. Select star from table name, right? Now, can you type the whole thing without looking at it? Can you erase it, Sunny Bhai? Can you erase the whole thing and type on your own? And Mohit Bhai also? Can you type like without from the beginning? Take Control A. Just type Control A, Sunny Bhai. Control A. No, no. Yeah. No. What I'm saying, if you have a lot of things in there, to delete the whole thing, you can use Control A. Type something in there randomly. Just type something. Doesn't matter what it is. Just put anything. Just type something. Yeah. Now do Control A. Mohit bhai, please understand this. Control A. What happens if you press Control A? Do you see everything selected? No. Control A. See, what I'm trying to also teach you, this is the thing you have to do at work. Okay? If somebody you're working with, let's say your coworker, and there is 3 lines you have to delete. If you delete one by one, is a big problem. Trust me. It is a problem. Yeah. So that's the little thing that we need to learn. And we can learn only this thing by when we learn other thing. Okay. So Control A means select everything. Yeah. Control, write it down. Control A, select everything. That means select everything. So you see, if you press Control A, select everything. Sunny bhai, can you type multiple line? Can you type multiple line? Just type something. Let me share my screen. Okay. Yeah, and then delete. Yeah, let me share my screen. Okay, let me know if you see my screen. You see my screen, right? Okay, see my screen. So let me see if it's recording. Yeah, looks like it's recording. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, let's say I have typed something, a lot of things, right? A lot of things I have. Now I can just delete one by one like this, right? Doesn't look good. So what I'll do Control A, Control A, and then space, and click on either delete or space, backspace. I can enter the like backspace or delete. In the row is gone, everything is gone. Clear, Mohita? Can you do it? See if it works. Works, right? Do it. Like doing it is a different thing. Okay. No. You are looking at my screen, but I want you to do in your screen. Okay. See if in your screen it's working or not. It's working. Your screen is not working. Did you try it? No. It's my screen, but I want you to do it in your screen. Or you can minimize it. You can always minimize my screen, right? Like minimize the whole thing and you just open. If you click on the bottom, if you click on the SSMS, if you click on SSMS, then it will pop up. Do you see? You can always minimize my screen always. Hold on, let me tell you. I'm going to accept the request. Okay. How do you go? Listen, here is the thing. How do you go, right? Mohit bhai? Okay, this is where you are. So what you need to do, you have two screen open. Click on the left one, the blue one. Okay. Now cancel on the right side, cancel it. Yeah, cancel. Okay. Now here, see you have the SSMS and the flower button, right? Side by side. So if you click on the flower button, you're going to go to my screen. Click on the flower button. Click on the SSMS now. Do you see two different things? Like one is going to take you to meeting, okay? And meeting you can minimize also. If you click on the flower button, it should minimize the meeting and then you see SSMS. Okay, now can you type in the SSMS? Okay. Yes, do you understand what happened? The other one is the meeting one, okay? So type something, anything, just type something. You don't have to just, type something. Anything, just type randomly, few lines. Yeah, like this. Enter, press enter and type again, enter and again. And again. Yeah. Now do Control A. Yes. See, everything is selected, right? Now enter the backspace. Now enter the backspace. Yeah, delete or backspace, either way is fine. See, everything is gone. So this is what I'm telling you. Okay? All right. Please write this thing down. It's very important. Write it, Control A, write it down in your notebook, Control A. You're going to forget it in 2 hours. Okay? So it's important. Write it down, all these things. Okay. So we know how to select something, right? Okay. Okay. Guys ready? Okay. Like you mean, what do you mean? Like, hmm. Yeah, you don't, I don't know either. Nobody knows actually. We use it based on whatever we need. Okay. Like say, I'll tell you, go back, like say Control S is saving, those are the things I'll tell you. Control Shift N is the new open. Whenever I tell you, write it down. Okay. I mean, there is like say hundreds of function and everything is different. Like so whenever you use Microsoft Word, it's one thing. It means the different thing. Microsoft Excel is being the different thing. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes, but don't worry about it because there's so many of them, you'll be like lost. Okay. So instead of going there, learning it, you will learn it here. I say Control A, now you know. So you take it from there. You learn that down. Right. Big time confused. Big time you'll be completely confused. Yeah, and yeah. Yeah, so we'll talk into this. Just write it down and then just memorize those. And if you keep practicing, you'll be fine. Okay. So here, this is our query, right? It's called query, right? This is the table. Now, as you can see, how many column we have, Mohit, tell me, how many are there? How do you know 9? 8 and then hiding, right? Okay. Okay, yeah. And then row is not 9. Look, if you can go down, see, it's not 9, right? It's a lot, right? It's a lot. Another thing, please, guys, watch out. See, you can move this column based on your need. Okay, you can move them, make it shorter, wider. Okay. Now, here is the thing. Let's say we do not need, we don't want to see all the column. I have like 8 columns, you said, right? 8, 10 columns. I don't want to see all of them. I do not want to see all of them. Let's say I want to see this. I want to see just the address and the postal code, or address and the city. That's all I want to see. I want to see address and the city. Okay, I don't want to see anything else. Okay, it can happen, right? I don't want to see everything. So at that case, what I do, see here, star. Star means all. Star means all. Give me everything. Okay, star means show me all the column and all the row. Basically it means all the column is all the column. Okay, show me everything. Clear? Star means. Now I don't want to see everything. I want to see only this column and this column. This is what I want to see. So what I can do, I'm deleting star. Okay. Now what table is the person dot address, right? So I want to see which column I want to see. I want to see address and city. So I'll type it here. I'll type address line 1, right? See, address line 1. And then a comma, I put city. Right? See, if I type, it's also show there. Okay. So whatever I want to see, let's say I want to see also postal code. Comma postal code. Postal code. Okay. So now I execute. See, I want to see only 3 columns there. So I can see everything. I can see whatever the column I want to see. Right now, let's say you can say, oh, if I don't know what column I want, how do I know? So then you put star and see all the column, and then you see select whatever column you need. Okay, so can you type this query, Sunny bhai? Mui bhai? Yeah, so can you type this query? Yeah, please type it. I'll be back in 30 seconds. Okay. Hello, okay, it's good now. It's good now, right? Hello. So, Mohit bhai, it's good. Shani bhai, Mohit bhai, Kushan. Okay, tell me. Yeah, let me share. Yeah, let me share this. Okay. Yeah, I see the screen. Yeah. No, this is not prove you are in the right platform. What proves you on the top? Look at the top. It says master, right? No, no, no. It says master, right? This is what you prove is you in the right platform. So click in Adventure Works. Okay. 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 Yeah, you're in the right place. Yeah. No, click, open it. How do you know table name and everything, right? You have to click in there, open it up. Mhm. No, no, right? That's fine. No, no, no. Click in there and then go to tables. Okay. Yeah. Now hold on one second. Hold on one second. See on the right side there is a bar, right? There is a line there, right? Put your mouse there. No, 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 no. On this one. See there is a separate thing, right? The bar separator. No, on the table name. If you go on the table name, go on the table name, right? Now take your mouse on the right side. There, this is the table name, and then what? There is, yeah, there is a gap in there, the line in there, right? To separate, right? This is the different window, right? This is one window. This is one window. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, show you this. Okay, guys, please take a look. This is the environmental thing is very important. Okay, Mohit bhai, what? See, this is one window, right? This is another window, right? Now see this line I'm talking about. You see this line? See this mouse changes? You can make it small or bigger. See, you can make it bigger or you can small. Okay? Do you understand? Can you do it? Do it on your screen. Can you do it, Mohit bhai? It's okay? Okay. So this is one thing. Another thing, look, see there is a pin there, right? Now see, if you click on the pin, this thing is gone, right? Now if you put your mouse there, right here, see, if you put your mouse here, right? Click one time, it's going to come out, see? And then you take your mouse somewhere else, click, is gone. Watch it again. This is what I'm talking about. This is simple, this is normal, right? Now see this pin, if you click on the pin, it says auto hide. See, if I put my mouse in there, it says auto hide. Okay. See, this is the environmental learning. Typing there is one thing, but there's a lot of other things that we're going to learn one by one. Okay. So please make sure you understand this thing. Okay. Every time I say this kind of thing, you write it down somewhere. Otherwise, you're going to absolutely forget. Okay. So yeah. So see this pin, if I put my mouse in there, it says auto hide. Okay. Means, what means? That means if I click in there, it's going to auto hide it, right? It's going to hide. So let me click in there. Click, it's gone. It's hiding now. Where it is hiding? See, it is Object Explorer, right? See, what is the name of this window? It says Object Explorer. You see, if I click in there, it's gone. It says Object Explorer. So now if I click in there, right, it's come out again. Now if I take my mouse, see, I will take my mouse somewhere else. If I click, just somewhere else I click, it's gone again. If I click, it come. And then I can use it. And then I can use it. And then once I'm using done, I can click somewhere, it's gone. Okay. So now if I don't want auto hide, let's say, oh, I don't want that, I want to keep it there, then I will put this, see, it says, click here, right? If I click in here, now it stays there. If I, Mujay, did you understand this? This is the thing that you need to learn, okay? Okay, okay, so now let's see your screen. Sunny bhai, clear? Okay. Yeah, Mohit bhai, I send you the request. Okay, so now can you do this, what I just did? So can you make it a little bit bigger? Make it a little bit bigger. Don't do this. No, this window, make it bigger. Remember, I put my mouse there and put left and right? No, not on the top. This is for something else, right? This is for to hide it. The pin, what is the purpose of the pin? To hide it. I don't want to hide it. Okay, and then? Okay, so if you put the pin again, click, it stays there, right? Click in there. So click in there. Yeah, click in there. Yeah. Okay. Now make this window a little bit bigger. How do you make it bigger? Yeah, but you have to put your mouse where on the line. Remember I show you on the line you have to put your mouse? Not on the top. Go somewhere on the down, somewhere in the middle. On the line, see black line, put your mouse in the black line. Yes, put your mouse in there. Now you can do it. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to learn always. Okay, it's very important because you'll be doing this kind of thing. Guys, going forward, if you cannot practice at least 1+ hour a day, forget about database. I'm just telling you, you need 2 to 3 hours. Okay, at least 2 hours daily. But the lowest I'm saying, if you cannot practice 1 hour a day, then don't study database. It will be waste of time for you guys. If you cannot study 1+ hour a day, I'm not saying 7 hours a week. This is not what I'm saying. One day if you study 7 hours is absolutely not enough. Every day you have to study at least 1 hour. Otherwise forget about database. It's very complicated thing. You have to understand how much money they are paying you. Okay? It's 6-figure salary. It cannot be that easy. You have to understand this is a lot of things. And it's I'm not scaring you, but I'm telling you the truth. It's not easy. It is very easy. It is very easy only when you practice. There's the only way to become easy. Okay? Yes. So see, yeah. So okay. So yeah, stick it there. Don't, no reason to hide it now. Leave it there. So click on the pin so that it stays there. Okay. Now make it a little bit shorter. You just want to put where you can see all the table name. Now see there is a red button there, right? You click on the select, right? There is a red. There is some reason for it. We will talk later on this. Click on the red button, red ball. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So tell me what problem you're having. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Hold on here. On the column name, if you want to see all the column of this table, if you want to see, right? You click on the plus sign. See on the plus sign. And then see it says column, right? Click in the column. Now it's going to show you all the column that this table has. Okay. So whatever the column you want to see, you can type it there. Yes. Just drag it there. Just take it from there. Yeah. Yeah. And then you can put comma. No. It's highlighted. So you have to take your mouse after it. There is a comma in there already in front of it. It's an arrow. You have to put your mouse in this comma. Delete the comma. See, there is a comma in front of it. Yeah, this comma is the error, right? Yeah. And then you're going to put the comma after it, right? Okay. And then Okay, what column you wanna see? Tell me what column. Whatever column you wanna see, put it there. Okay, so take the city from here. Okay. See, hold on here 1 second. See, this city is highlighted now, right? City is highlighted. So highlighted means it's selected now. You don't want to do that. So you click your mouse somewhere else. See, click your mouse anywhere. See, it's gone now. Okay. So now you press, if you want to do more column, you press comma, right? You put comma. If you don't want more, then you just write the table name from table name, right? Okay, do that, whatever you want to do. Yes. No, you have to, like, you want to see address and city, right? From what table? From what table? So you have to write it down, right? You have to put the table name. Okay, so you have to write it there now. No, oh, no, you have to, first of all, there should be a space, right? There should be a space. Okay. And then you use the keyword. No, use the keyword from, remember from keyword I was telling you. Okay. Okay, now you can drag the table name there too. You don't have to type it if you don't want to. Yeah. Yeah. Now you press F5. Yeah. No, enter is not going to do anything. You press either execute or F5. That either one. Yeah. But see, if you do execute, if you don't practice, you'll forget. There's so many keywords, like say shortcut, right? So make sure you practice all of it. Whatever you learn, you practice those. Otherwise, you'll forget. Yeah, but you always use F5. Don't use click on execute. It's important because of work you'll do F5. Okay. Okay. So see, it's good, clear now. So which problem what was your problem? Okay. Okay, Sunny Bhai. Sunny Bhai, I'm giving you the screen. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you delete. If you want to see whole thing, then you delete this thing and put the star. No, whole thing meaning, what do you mean whole thing? Like just the column name. You delete only the column name. Everything is the same, right? Only the column name. Sunny Bhai, I sent you the request. Yeah. So can you delete this and type it again? See, there is a mistake. See, there is a, I told you before, whenever you see a red mark, that means there is a mistake there, right? Now, see, we need to do, this is called debugging. We need to understand how to solve this kind of problem. Watch this out, it's very important, okay? Like there is an error, so we have to find out where it is coming from, right? Now, here is the thing, whenever you see red, usually either there one is the issue or it starts from there, okay? Whenever you see, understand this, whenever you see a red, understand the red, that means wherever you see red, this is an issue, or the issue start from there. There one not an issue, but it start from there. Make sense? Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, let's say from, right? From. You look, from is right? There is nothing wrong with that. Is it anything? No. So two things, right? As I said, it starts from there, or itself it is an issue. Now I see, oh, from, no, spelling is right, everything is fine. So that's not an issue. So that means it starts from here, right? It starts from there. So I have to go before it. Before. So if you go before, what is the mistake? See, there is a comma in there. It shouldn't be a comma. Right before from, there is a comma. It shouldn't be a comma. Right? Hold on 1 second. See, is gone now, right? And guys, don't click on the execute. Use F5. It's important because it's practice. Because it's so many keywords you might want to use, and then if you don't practice, you will forget. So always use F5 for this one. Okay. So clear how to get data from there, or any question? Huh? That's fine. Okay. Okay, you see my screen, I hope. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay, so I can see here city, right? The only thing I'm looking at city, right? Now let's say here, as you can see, I'm looking at all the record, right? Look at all the record. Okay, all the record is coming, right? Let's say, for an example, city I have a lot of city here, right? It's called Boothel, I don't know what else, all of city, right? Barclay, right? See, San Francisco, right? I have all the city. Now, if I want to see data, there is a lot of record, right? Hundreds of records, right? It's a lot of record. Now, if I want to see data, let's say only from Seattle, okay? I want to see, I don't want to see everything. I want to see all the record where city is Seattle. I want to see that. Do you understand what I want to see first? What is the problem? I want to see only record the Seattle, only record that's the Redmond, something, right? Only for that. Or I want to see all the record where zip code is this. Let's say zip code is this. Okay, something like that. So in that case, I have to put condition. Put where. Now column name, let's say this is the city. So I have to put city is equal to, let's say I want to say Los Angeles, right? So I can put Los Angeles here. So now when there is a text, remember, when there is a text, I have to put single quotation before and after. When there is a text, if number, I don't need it. But when there is a text, I have to put quotation marks. See, so I want to see all the record where city is Los Angeles. See, city is this, right? So if I do this, just first line, right? I see everything, right? Everything I see. Now, if I do whole thing, see what I see? Hold on. Oh, okay. So if I see whole thing, look, see, city is only Los Angeles. Do you see that? There is no other city. See, right? Only Los Angeles now. So right now I have, how many record I have? How many record? Look, the number. How many record I have? 93. All of them. What is the city? All of them Los Angeles. So look, this if I do this, if I run only the top one without the condition, I don't want to do that. Without the condition, I have city. See, look, I have city. Look in this column. Look in this column. I have city everywhere, right? All the city I can see, right? All the city, right? Now, if I put this condition, right, then I see, I'm saying, show me all the record where city is Los Angeles. Okay. So if I do this, then if you look, I have city one in Los Angeles, no other city here. Make sense? Understand? So can you guys type this? So where is another it's called clause, CLAUS, it's called clause. CLAUS is called clause. Okay, is a condition. Okay, is a condition that you are putting, right? Is a condition you're giving, right? Show me all everything where city is Los Angeles, right? Okay, so can you type this? See if you see the same thing or not. I send you the request, Mohit. Yeah. So, Saidbhai, you still there? Yeah, I know, I know. That's why I'm not saying anything. Yeah. Yeah, I understand, Saidbhai. Yeah. Okay, sure. Mohit, so is it okay? Going fine? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes. Like you wanna see, let's say you wanna see city, where city is equal to say Miami or something, whatever you pick from there. Yeah. No, 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 not equal to. See, always put a gap in there. Whenever there's a different thing you put, make sure that you put a space in there. Don't put like side by side, okay? Gap in there, space, yeah. Where is equal to, where city is equal to. Like whatever is your condition is basically. What I'm saying, you put your condition there, right? Yeah. City, yeah. So you have to type the same way it is there. Miami, you see, is a capital there, MIAMI, right? It is a capital there. Uh, Type the same way it says in there, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Mohit bhai, you know the enter sign? You have the enter sign in the keyboard. Before enter sign, this before enter sign is single quote and double quote. See, before enter sign there is a key, right? Use that one. Delete the comma first. Delete the comma. Okay. Um, okay. Mohit bhai, can you press enter a couple times? Just enter, enter. Okay. Now, Mohit bhai, if you wanna copy like the whole thing, now let me share my screen. Okay. This is the thing that we need to learn, like how to handle different thing. Okay. So if you do not understand anything, you let me know right away. Okay. So then now I want to copy the whole thing, right? This thing. Okay. This query I want to copy. So what I'll do Control A. Okay. You know already Control A, right? See, if I put Control A, I get this, right? And then I'll put Control C. Write it down in a notebook. Control C. CTR. Control means the control button, right? Control C. Okay, so I put Control C. Means copy, right? I can do the same thing going here. See the edit? Edit? Do you see that edit? And then I can click in here, see, copy, Control C. See this Control C? Right? So Control C I press. Now see, I'm going down a couple lines, just, here. So I wanna copy it here. I copied it, right, already. Now I'm copying it. So I put control, again control V like Victor, V. See, I got the same thing here, right? Do you understand what I did? Let's say, yeah, I'm doing it again. What I'm trying to do, if I want to copy this line, let's say I want to copy only this line. Okay, I want to copy only this line. So I highlight this. Whatever I want to copy, I highlight this. So anyway, you're listening, I hope, right? So I'm highlighting this one, and then I'm pressing Control C, write it down, Control C, copy. Now I want the same line here, right? Let's say here, I just put the mouse here. Here I put Control V. See, I see this here. Instead of typing it, I can just, same thing here. So again, look, again, whatever I want to type or copy, whatever. Let's say I want to copy only this. So I put Control C, highlight it first. I highlight, right? First I highlight, and then I put Control C, and then I take my mouse whenever I want to see. So, and then I put Control V. See, now I see. Clear? Okay, so do it this one here. Highlight whatever you want to see. Copy, I mean. Highlight this one, and then Control C, and then I'm going here. Yeah, Control C to copy. Then Control B to paste. So I highlight this one. Oops. I highlight this one first, right? And then Control C, yeah. Yes, that is correct. Clear? Okay. Yeah. Copy and paste. What do you mean copy and paste? Like from the menu? But I thought you want to learn the keyword. Yeah, of course you can do it there, but that's not the practice at work. Okay, just to let you know, this doesn't happen. So always do it like that. Okay. So the first line, can you copy down the first line? No, only the first line, not the whole thing, just the first line. Hold on 1 second. See, you're missing S. Right? When you highlight. Now you have a plus sign in front of it, see? And the end, there's a dot. So you don't want that, right? So what do you do? Click on the plus sign. Whenever you do something, make sure you observe what's going on. See, you have a plus sign. Click on the minus sign again. See, so if you copy that, that's not the same thing you want to do, right? So click on the plus sign. Yeah. Okay. So only the first line, highlight the first line. You can do it from the right side if you want. Left side is not working, right? Click on the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. So take your mouse to click on the plus sign. Yeah. Okay. Take your mouse on the right side. Forget about left side. Go to the right side. Yeah. Start from there and drag it to the left. Highlight to the left. Yeah. Yes. Now you Control C. Yeah, and then put Control V. So you know how to copy and paste. It's called copy and paste, right? Do you understand like what you did and what is the purpose of it? If you have something, that means if you have something already written and you need to write it again, you don't want to write the whole thing. You just copy and paste. This is the thing that you'll be doing always at work. Always. It's very, very important, this kind of thing. Okay. So you just need to know all this little thing day by day for practice. Okay. Now, let's say delete this address line and city. You want to see everything. Let's see, you want to see everything. So delete this and put star in there. You want to see everything. This line, you want to see everything. You don't want to see only 2 column, right? You want to see everything. So what do? Okay. Highlight this one and run it. Highlight this one and run it. No. Highlight the whole line and run it. Highlight it first. Yeah, and run it. Run it. Run it. Yeah. Yeah. How many column do you see? 2 column. I don't want to see 2 column. I want to see all the columns. So what do? Okay. So put star. Okay. So do it. Yeah. Do it here. No. Do it here. Yeah. Star button in the 8, number 8. You have to put shift. Remember shift and 8. No. Now, how do you forget it? Go next line. Enter. Press enter. Okay. Press enter. Now here, this is what I want to do. First, understand the problem, then you can solve it. Okay. From this table, what is the table name? Person.address, right? That's the table name, right? What is the table name? What is the table name? Okay. I want to see everything from this table. How do you do that? I want to see everything from this table. How do you do that? No, from the query. How do you write query to see? I want to see all the data from this table. How do you do that? Do it. Let's do it. Whatever you're saying, let's do it. Yeah. No. Person is the schema name. Remember, I was telling you yesterday, you have to understand this kind of thing and memorize it. Please memorize it. This is very important. This is the table name, schema name and table name, right? What did I tell you yesterday? Database name dot schema name dot table name. Database name dot schema name dot table name. Database name you do not need to put. I told you, right? Database name you don't need to put. It's already top in there. You put only schema name and table name, right? So schema name, which one is the schema here? Person dot is the table name, right? Okay. Then okay. 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 Which table did you take? Which one you want to take? Which table did you take? Okay. Okay. Huh? But it didn't give you the right answer, right? Why? I want to see all the column. It show you only 2 column. Okay. Listen, let me share my screen again and try to understand. It's like mathematics, as I told you before. It's simple mathematics. Okay, so you have to understand. It's very simple. Like 2, I put plus 2, right, is equal to 4. Now here, instead of 2, if I miss plus, if I meet the plus, it's not giving anything, right? Or if I put a comma in there, it doesn't make any sense, does it? No. So you have to understand the formula here. Okay, you have to understand it. You have to understand the formula. It's simple formula though. Okay, 1 second, guys. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, just 1 second. Okay. Hello. Okay. So let's if you do not understand, you tell me 10 times, not a problem. But I want you to understand. Once you tell me you understand, and then if you screw up, is a big problem. So tell me 20 times that I don't understand it. I'll explain to you as long as it takes. Okay. I want to see everything from a table. I want to see everything from a table. Okay. That's my problem. I want to see everything from a table. Okay. So first thing I'll put select. That's my first line. Select. Okay. Select. And then I'll put star. How do I put star? I go shift and press number 8 there, right? You got it, right? Okay. And then I put a table name. Okay. Where I want to see the data. Do you understand this? Like I'm going to always write select. That's it. I'm going to put star. And here the third line, I'm going to put the table name. Okay. Now, how do I get the table name? Here, look, there's a lot of table here. What I'll do, I'll just hold it and just put it there. That's it. Done. I'm done. Okay. Now if you realize I have two part here, one part here, and there's a dot, and then there's another word. Always anything, any table I want, if you realize anything I need two part here, right? I have always two part, right? See here something, and then dot, and then something. Now there is a two part, right? So first part, write it down in a notebook. So first part is schema name, okay? Second part is the table name, okay? Clear? There is a two part, okay? So how it is format? First part dot, right? Dot, second part, right? Now if you realize there is no space between dot, right? There is no space. Look here, there is no space, okay? There is no space. So you put it like this, okay? Is this clear? Let's do it again. So always I'll put, I want to see, what is the problem? Write down the problem. I want to see everything from a table. This is the problem. I want to see everything from a table. That's it. This is what I want to do. I want to see everything from a table. How do I do that? Okay. It's like if I want to multiply something. So I put any number, and then multiply sign, and then any number, right? This is the formula, right? Basic simple formula for multiply something, right? So here, same thing. I want to see everything from a table. What I do? Simple, look. I put select, first line, second line I put star, and the third line I put a table name. That's it, table name. Now what table name? Whatever the table is, like say this one I put here. That's it. Now I highlight, write it down in your notebook. You have to highlight and then click on the execute. Don't execute without highlighting it. So write it down. You have to highlight and execute. Okay. So I'm highlighting it and then executing it. Okay. Clear? Yeah. Okay. That is interesting. I'll come to this. I don't know why, but we'll look into this. But I'm just saying, you understand this thing? What happened? Yeah. Oh, there is, see, here you go. Sorry about that, guys. So I put here from, yeah. Clear on this one? So I put select, first line, and then star, and then the table name. Before table name, I need from what table name. So this is static, meaning it's fixed, right? Select, always put star, and then from the table name. Now this is when I want to say everything. Star, when do I put star? When I want to say everything. So write it down in your notebook, and whenever you need to like write it in the query, you can copy it from your notebook and memorize it. Okay. Clear, Mohit bhai? Any question? Tell me which part you do not understand. Yeah. No. Forget about for person. From table name. Just memorize it from a table name. It cannot be person. It could be anything, right? It could be anything. So you have to learn. You have to learn the formula. Yes. So you put basically the table name. Basically, what happened is without the schema name, most of the time, 99% of the time, it will give you the data. 99% of the time. Okay. Now probably this has a duplicate table. That's why it's not giving. But usually it does. Okay. Usually without the schema it does. But at this case, it's not giving. Probably as a duplicate table could be. That's why. So don't worry about this thing. What you can do here, that's what I'm saying. from table name, all you're going to do is just take it from here. That's it. Just take it from here. Okay. And then highlight, and then execute. Without highlighting, do not execute. You're going to do it without highlighting. That we'll talk. But right now we are learning from scratch. So we are doing it. So make sure you highlight and execute. Okay. So see, you need to understand the formula. Then you can put it together. Right. Now, first, here again. So first I'm going to write select, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, I'm going to put star, and then I'm going to put from, and then I'm going to write any table name, right? So I can highlight like this, or I can do Control A, right? And then I can execute. Hello? 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 Okay, yeah, the connection was lost. Okay, good. So you understand, Mohit bhai, now we are okay? Okay. So let's do it now again. You can type it. But like I said, concept has to be 100% clear. There is no room for confusion. Okay, it has to be 100% clear. Okay, so let's type it again and see which part you do not understand. Okay, show me everything from any table. That's all I want to see now, how we will do it. Last line, delete the last line and type it in here. Last line. See, start from here. You copied it before, remember? You copy the first line, do it again from there. Because something is already there, you don't have to type, remember? Right? Hello? What's going on? Hello? Hello? Yeah, the connection was lost. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, okay. So, Mohit bhai, so here the problem is I want to see everything from a table, right? What you did this query, tell me what's the purpose of this query? Like this one. Yeah. From a table, right? Okay. Now do the same thing from a different table. How do you do it? From any other table. This is a person dot and address table, right? Here, what is the table name and what is the schema name? Yeah. What is the schema here and what is the address? I mean, what is the table name? What is the schema name and what is the table name? To no, 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 no. No. See, as I was telling you, schema dot table name. Remember, I was telling you schema name dot table name, right? Schema name. Do you understand this? Here, let me share my screen. See here, look, this is the formula. Schema name dot table name, right? So if I put this person, if I put this like person dot address, now tell me which one is schema name and which one is table name. Yeah. So this is the formula, right? Table schema name dot table name. What does that mean? What do you mean by formula? Meaning the first part is the schema. Dot is the table name, right? It's same thing. Like say if I put this last name dot first name, right? Look, first name, right? Now if I put, let's say, dot Islam, right? Islam. What does that mean? What does Muhammad means? Muhammad means is the last name. What is the first name? Is the Islam, right? So this is the formula. Schema. Please write it down in the notebook. Schema dot table. Okay, schema dot table, right? Understand this concept? Okay, so first one is the schema name and the second one is the table name. Yes. Okay. So can you, I send you the request. So can you, like, I want to see everything from a table. Can you write another query and show me? Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. What do you mean stuck? Let me do it. You mean like this? Let me show my screen. Once you're done, you let me know, okay? So let's say this is what you can do. Select all from, you are seeing like this. I share it. This and there and then like something like that, you mean? Okay, it's supposed to give you everything. Yeah. Oh, because what happens is sometimes if the data is a lot, then it gets stuck. Okay. Yeah, that's right. So here, side by, let's say, what's that mean? You have three tables. Let's say this one, and then I'm doing also another table. Let's say, right? Another table. Let's say, yeah. So another table. I'm selecting all, and I'm writing query, right? Now, if you realize that the column you will have from all the table, all the column. Okay. That means all means he's going to give you all the column from this table, all the column from this table, and all the column from this table. Okay. Now, if you want to see column from a specific table, what you can do, you can use a column table alias. This is A, okay, this is B, let's say, this is C. Now here you can put, let's say, yeah, you can put this, yeah, and then it's going to give me only from A, only from A. Oh, it's still running. See, is he executing query? Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of, no, it's a lot of data. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. See, now the table column is only this. Okay. This is a joining. This is also a joining. Now you can put after that, like where, and then you're going to put A dot, let's say ID is equal to B dot, ID, something like that. There's also joining. That's like all joining, all type, yeah. We'll do all this, yeah. Yeah, we'll go through all this. Yeah, Mohit bhai, I'm sending you the sharing. Sunny bhai, are you able to do all these things that we are doing in Mohit screen? Yeah, okay. Let me know if you have any confusion. Okay. Okay. Right. That is correct. Okay. Mohit bhai. Okay. Yeah, Sunny bhai, that is correct. So Mohit bhai, first what I want to do, right? I have to decide first, right? I want to see everything from a table, right? I want to see everything. So I put select, fine. I put start, fine. I put from, fine. And after from, what do I put? Tell me. After from, what I should put? No. After from, I should put a table name. No, here is the thing. You have to understand. If you learn a driving, let's say they are teaching you in Astoria how to drive, right? They are teaching you there. It doesn't mean that that's the only place you're going to drive rest of your life, right? It's like they are taking you there as a sample wise. Same thing, right? So you have to understand the concept here. You put select, you put star, you put from. After that, you're going to put a table name, right? How do you put a table name? Just drag and drop there. Just copy it there. Just put it there. And then click your mouse somewhere. See, there was a highlighted before. Make sure it's not highlighted only a single part. If you is highlighted only a single part, delete this table name again, delete it. Delete this table name. Okay, hold on. Now drop the table again there. Same thing I did. Just drop it. Okay, yeah. Now see, this is highlighted, right? It was, right? So you click your mouse somewhere. Now do one thing. Now highlight the whole line. Now put execute. Now, do you understand this concept? It's like you're going to put the select, and then you're going to put the star, you're going to put the from, and you're going to put any table name. That's it. That's it, right? Now do one thing. Now do the same thing. Put a second line, like another, go down, right? See, here is the thing. What you did, Mohit bhai, this is the thing you need to learn. Everything was highlighted. You put enter and the whole thing gone, right? Now how are you going to go back there? Whole thing is gone. Now you don't want to delete. Let's say you don't want to delete. How are you going to go there? Before, write it down in your notebook. Control Z. Control Z. Yeah. Yeah. See? Now here, look. You have to learn these kind of things, Mohit bhai. This is what I'm trying to tell. Like, learn it. Okay. Now whole thing is highlighted, right? That means it's selected, right? You don't want to do that. So click your mouse somewhere else. Okay. Now enter a couple times. You want to create another line. Now write another query. This is a one query. It's called one query. Okay. This one query. Write another query. Highlight and run. Okay, fine. See, you understand now? Do you understand this thing now? Mohit bhai? Make sense? Okay. Now, let's say here in this line, you want to see everything. You are looking at everything, right? Just show me only the address line. I don't want to see everything. I want to see only the address line. Okay, how do I do it, right? Like here you want to see all the column, right? Every column you are looking at. I don't want to see all the column. I want to see only one column or two column. How do you do that? Yeah, Leicester City. No, type it there. It's simple thing, no? Just type it there. No. Where we're putting where? I don't wanna, where is the for the condition? I don't have any condition here. I wanna see everything. See here the two things. Mohit bhai, try to understand this thing, okay? Here, when you put select star from table name, what does that mean? What's that really mean? That means show me what is the star? Like, what is the purpose of the star? No, star means show all the column. Star means show all the column. Okay, write it down in notebook. Star means all the column. Okay, write it down in notebook. You're going to forget tomorrow. So star means all the column, right? Okay, now I don't want to see all the column. I want to see only one column, right? City. So what I do? Then what I do? Right? Then what I do? Yeah, select city only. Yeah, star means everything, right? Star means all the column. I don't want to see all the column. I want to see city. So I'll just put city. Yeah. Yeah. Same way. compare it with the top one. Compare with the top one. Okay, top query. What wrong here? Read line by word by word. Word by word. Compare with the first line. I mean the top line. Okay. No, hold on. We have to solving problem is not really is here. I can tell you right now. I want you to find it. Okay. So first top line is a select, right? You have bottom, you have select. Okay. Now and then the first line, top line, you have star, right? Now instead of star, I put city because I want to see only city. And then what? Top line, you have read the top line again, line by word, compare word by word, compare word. Okay. So what is missing here? Do it again, word by word, compare word by word. Why did you delete? Because you should leave it there and then find the problem. Okay, that's fine. Let's do it again. Okay, and then now here, Mohit bhai, that's why we need to learn this kind of trick right here. Look, you want to do the table name is already there, you have. So why don't you copy it from there? I just showed you how to copy paste, right? Remember? So copied it from there while looking there, right? Doesn't make any sense. Copied it from there. Yeah. So highlight it. Control, how do you copy? Control C, right? No, if you can drag it, don't drag it. We need to learn it the proper way, right? It's not how we can do it, how we should do it. That's the thing, you know. So how we should do it. So you have to select it. Look, it's not percentage. It's all messed up, right? It's not the proper. It's the spelling is there a little bit on the top, right? Okay. Do one thing with that. Put Control A. Okay, and then enter delete. Okay. Show me the formula. I want to see everything from a table. So remember I was showing you in 3 lines how to put it, right? I was showing you. So show me this structure, you know, the formula. How I want to see everything from a table. Okay. And then second line, no, don't put in the same line. Put in the second line. Select and then star. Okay, fine. And then look at your note. Is it table name or something else? No, then you wrote it wrong. This is not what I said. Select star and then what? Keyword. What is the keyword? Person is the table name. Okay, it could be anything. Now every time we are typing something, select was always there. Did we change it? No. Did we change it? No. The only thing we are changing, 2 things we are changing, table name and the column name, star. Do you understand this? I want you to understand it and write it down properly. Take a note. No. you wrote it wrong then. Okay, let me write it again and then you tell me which part you do not understand. Okay, see here I was writing it down. So again I'm writing, you write it down in your note. Those are the most fundamental thing. Okay, side by, did you see the query is still running? Okay, Mohit bhai, you tell me if you do not understand, forget about doing it. Doing is not a problem. Okay, you have to understand it, concept. Anytime you see a blue, that is the keyword. Okay, select, look, select, right? And then what I put, star, and then what I put, from table name, right? Do you understand this? Tell me which part you do not understand here. You need to memorize it. Select star from table name, select star from table name, select star from table name, memorize, select star from table name, right? So this is what this is my formula, right? Select star from table name. So I put select, so this is what I do, look, select star and then from and then table name, look here, table name. Now I am highlighting it and then doing it, right? Hold on. The next suggestion, you saw it? Now I can change this. Listen, I'm highlighting this, I'm deleting it, and I'm taking another table. Another table. Look, I'm putting another table here, right? And now I'm highlighting it. First, look, don't do anything right now. See, I'm highlighting it. Yeah. So so let me share your screen and then you tell me, you write the formula first. Okay. Whatever I just told you, wrote it down, write it down there first. I send you the request. Did you write in your notebook first or not? Okay, good. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, that's the formula, right? Now show me everything from a table. Show me everything from a table. Any table. I want to see everything from a table. Everything, when I say everything, that means show me all the column basically, right? All the column, all the rows, show me everything. Yeah, so how do you do it? No, delete this and write it down again. Do it in 3 lines. Same way you did the formula, do it like this. Okay, so it will be easier for you to check. Select, okay. No, here tell me what is the star means. Star means show me all the column, right? All means what? What do you mean all? Everything is what? Column. Everything is column. All the column. Star means all the column. Now tell me, do you understand this or not? All the column. Now instead of writing here, can you put plus in the plus, click any table plus sign, like person dot address, any table on the left side. Just click on the plus sign. Any table here. Now put in the column plus sign. Now how many column you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now you can write, instead of the star, let's say delete the star, let's say, for example, you can not delete it. I'm just saying, if you don't want, you can delete the star and write all the column name there, all the column name. But instead of writing all the column name, instead we just put star. Star means all the column. Star means all the column, right? Okay, fine. So select star and then put from. I mean, whatever you want to, yeah. I want to see or everything from a table, any table. So show me how to do that. This is the thing, Mohit bhai, I don't think you listen properly. This is the thing that I was telling you. Whenever there is a highlight, a part, listen, don't do anything. Forget about doing anything. Let's just first listen. Whenever you see highlight, it's important thing. So hold down here, right? Don't do anything. Okay? Now, don't do anything. Just listen first. Here is highlighted what? Parser.add is highlighted, right? If you type anything right now, anything you type right now, what's going to happen is, why did you click in there? I wanted to show you something. Yes, that is correct. It's very important because if you type something without clicking somewhere, it's going to delete it. It's going to delete the whole thing. So that's why you have to first click somewhere and then you have to highlight the whole thing and execute. Okay, so let's highlight it and then now run it. Okay, now show me the same thing. Like say I want to see everything from a different table. What is the schema name and table name here? Tell me. Which is the schema, which is the table? Yes. So same thing, show me from another table everything. I want to see something else, everything from another table. Sunny Bhai, can you solve this problem? Sunny Bhai? Sunny Bhai, are you there? Sunny Bhai? Oh, okay, that's fine. Then you do it. Okay, that's okay. Go ahead. So here, Mohit Bhai, here, no, try to understand this thing, okay? Now, what did you put? Address at line 1, you put it there, right? Address line 1 is a table name, or what name is that address line? Which one is the table name? No, here, what did you put? The thing that you put before. Any table, like any table. So yeah, do it. No, Mohit bhai, here's the thing. You put select star from, right? You have to understand this thing first. From, you have the from, right? After from, after from, what do you put? After, no, forget about person. Why are you saying person, not person? After from, what do you put? You put table name, schema name, right? Schema name, not table name. After form, you put schema name dot table name, right or wrong? After form, you put table name, schema name dot table name, right? Now you put address ID. What is the address ID? Is it a schema name or table name or what it is? Tell me. Show me in there, where did you get it from? Okay. Now, how do you know it's a table name? How do you know the table name? It says column. Look, go one up, just one up. Here, it says column. It says column. So it's not a table name. See, it should be under table, right? Okay. So you should just click plus sign on the plus sign table, plus sign. Okay. So see, I want to see this column. This is column. I want to see all the column under this table. Do you understand? So see these columns. You have columns, right? So let me show my screen. Okay, let's see my screen here. Okay, try to understand this concept here. Look, this is how you go there. Drill it down, right? See, this is how it is right now, right? Look, this is how it is, right? The left side. This is the server, main thing, right? Server, computer. Now, if I plus sign, see, I have database, this everything I have. I'm going in the database, right? So in the database, I'm in. Now, which database I want to go to? AdventureWorks. So I click in there, AdventureWorks. Now I want to go table. So I click on table. See, I'm on table right now. So if you can see everything, see this, all are table, everything table. These are the table name. Now if I click plus here, now under this table you have column, keys, constants, everything under this table. So what is the table name here? Demo dot something. That's the table name. Right? So if you look at the column, if you click in column here, look, see, I click in column, right? If I click in column here, this is a column for this table. This is not a table name. Is it a table name? No, it's not a table name. It's a column name for this table. Under this table, yeah, it's a column. Meaning, what does that mean? See this thing? See address line here. See this address line 1. See this is the column, right? See, look here. This table, give me 1 second, and a person address what? Look. See this address ID. You see the address ID? See here on the table, look, address ID. See address ID. Address line 1. See here you have address line 1. Address line 2. You have address line 2. See. So this is the column for this table. Okay, make sense? Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay, I send you the request. তো আপনাকে ফর্মুলাটা বুঝতে হবে। ফর্মুলা বুঝলে ইউ ক্যান পুট ইট। আপনি যদি ফর্মুলা না বুঝেন, দেন এভরিথিং অলওয়েজ উইল বি কনফিউশন। সো আপনাকে ফর্মুলাটা বুঝতে হবে। ফ্রম এর পরে আপনি টেবিল নেম ঢুকাই দেন, রাইট? Do you understand? After form, you put a table name. So now hold down, don't delete it. Go back. I mean, put Control Z. Put Control Z. Yeah. Keep doing it. Put few times. Keep putting it. Keep typing Control Z. Okay, forget it. That's okay. So আপনি জিনিসটা বুঝছেন, কনসেপ্টটা বুঝছেন। আপনাকে জিনিসটা বুঝতে হবে, ফ্রম এর পরে আমি দিব স্কিমা নেম ডট টেবিল নেম। আপনি জিনিসটা দেখেন, জিনিসটা বুঝে না কে মুহিত ভাই, ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট। আদারওয়াইজ ইউ ক্যান নট ডু ডাটাবেস। ইটস নট ইজি। If you do not understand the concept, it's not easy. It will be very complicated, like conceptually. Okay, so মনে রাখেন ফ্রম এ, হ্যাঁ বলেন। থাকে কেন? আপনাকে টাইপ করতে হবে সবসময়, তো কাজের জায়গায় নট নেসেসারি, রাইট? আপনাকে জিনিসটা বুঝতে হবে, এই জন্য জিনিসটা বুঝতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ আছে, দ্যাট ইজ ট্রু আছে। এখন যদি কোনো কারণে দেখেন যে এটা ঠিক নাই, মনে করেন আপনি যেটা লিখতেছিলেন ওইখানে, আপনি কাজ করেন তো, আপনার মাউসটা একটু উপরে নেন, তো আমি বলি একটু উপরে নেন মাউসটা, আর একটু উপরে, হ্যাঁ লেফটের দিকে যান, আর একটু উপরে নেন, আর একটু উপরে নেন, না লেফট রাইটে যান কেন, সোজা যান উপরের দিকে যান, right here. See, this is the arrow button, right? See, when you do Control Z, this is the same thing. Keep pressing here. Keep pressing. Continue. Keep pressing. Press করে থাকেন, continuously press করে থাকেন until I tell you to stop. ওখানে প্রেস করে থাকেন মুহিত ভাই। হ্যাঁ ওখানে, হ্যাঁ করে থাকেন, কন্টিনিউয়াসলি করে থাকেন। ও ও ও সরি 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 দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান দাঁড়ান, হ্যাঁ আপনি এখানে থামেন, দ্যাটস ফাইন। সি আপনি এখানে জিনিসটা দেখেন, আপনি জিনিসটা খেয়াল করেন, ফর্মুলা যদি আপনি বুঝেন তাহলে এখানে ধরতে পারতেন মিস্টেকটা। ফ্রমের পরে আপনার কি আছে, সামথিং আছে নাম একটা হোয়াটএভার, দেন ডট, তারপরে আছে সামথিং, তারপরে সেমিকোলন, আবার সামথিং। এটা তো হওয়ার কথা না, এটা তো হওয়ার কথা না। ফর্মুলাটা কি আছে, সামথিং ডট সামথিং, রাইট? এনি ওয়ার্ড ডট এনি ওয়ার্ড, মানে কি স্কিমা ডট টেবিল। তো এইখানে দেখেন কি আছে, সামথিং আছে, ডট আছে, আবার সামথিং, আবার সেমিকোলন, আবার সামথিং। এটা তো হওয়ার কথা না, হওয়ার কথা। So that's why right there you know that something is wrong there. You're going to have only one dot. আপনার দুইটা ওয়ার্ড থাকবে, এই জন্য বলি কনসেপচুয়ালি জিনিসটা বোঝেন, দুইটা ওয়ার্ড থাকবে, মাঝখানে ডট থাকতে হবে, দ্যাটস ইট। হ্যাঁ 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 হুম হ্যাঁ। না এখন আন্তাজে পার্সন দিয়ে না, আপনাকে জিনিসটা বুঝতে হবে পার্সনটা কি দিলেন, স্কিমা নেম দিলেন, রাইট? রাইট, ফাইন, ওকে ফাইন, বুঝে দিয়েন আর কি। What I'm saying, understand, and then table name. What is the table name? ID is not a table name. ID কোনটা, আপনি কোন জায়গায় ID বলেন? California is not a table name. Is a column name, না টেবিলের আন্ডারে। এইখান থেকে তো নিচ্ছি না, তখন তো এইখান থেকে নিচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, তখন দেখে নেন, দেখে নেন আপনার। হ্যাঁ, এখানে ক্লিক করেন, কোনটা নিতে চান ক্লিক করেন, কিছু করেন না, শুধু ক্লিক করেন একবার। এখন সিটি একটা টেবিল নেম, রাইট? একটু আগে যে বললাম এটা টেবিল নেম, আপনি কেমনে বুঝবেন টেবিল নেম না কলাম নেম? হাউ ডু ইউ নো যে টেবিল? হ্যাঁ, টেবিলের আন্ডারে কি কলাম? আপনি একটু উপরে উঠেন, লেখা আছে তো কলাম। আপনি তো কলাম নিচ্ছেন, এখানে কি নিবেন? আপনি ফ্রমের পরে কি নিবেন বলেন? ফ্রমের পরে আপনি কি লিখবেন? স্কিমা নেম দিবেন, ডট দিয়ে টেবিল নেম দিবেন, রাইট? এখানে স্কিমা নেম দিবেন, আপনি জিনিসটা বুঝেন আগে, স্কিমা নেম দিবেন, ডট দিয়ে টেবিল নেম দিবেন, রাইট? ওকে, স্কিমা নেম দিছেন, রাইট? এখন দিবেন কি কি নেম? টেবিল নেম, ওকে। সিটি কি টেবিল নাকি কলাম? তাহলে আপনি এখানে দিলে ভুল হবে না? আপনি তো বলতেছেন টেবিল দিতে হবে। জিনিসটা কিছু করেন না, এখন জিনিসটা বুঝেন আগে, কিছুই ডোন্ট টাচ এনিথিং, জাস্ট লেটস আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড। আমি এখানে কি দিব সেটা আগে বুঝে বলেন আমারে, কি দিব এখানে? ফ্রম দেওয়ার পরে আমি দুটা জিনিস দিব, জিনিসটা বুঝেন আগে। ফ্রম দেওয়ার পরে আমি দুটা জিনিস দিব, একটা দিব স্কিমা ডট টেবিল, স্কিমা ডট টেবিল, রাইট? এখন দেখেন স্কিমা, আমি স্কিমা নেমটা দিলেন, রাইট? এখন টেবিল নেম দিবেন। এখন আপনি বলতেছেন সিটি কি টেবিল নেম নাকি? দেখেন তো, এটা আমাকে ফাইন্ড আউট করেন। সিটি তো কলামের আন্ডারে আছে, দেখেন কলাম যখন প্লাস কলামটা আছে না, এখানে মাইনাসটা ক্লিক করেন, এই যে কলাম যেখানে আমরা হাইলাইট করা আছে কলাম, হ্যাঁ এই যে এইখানে, হ্যাঁ রাইট, এখানে ক্লিক করেন। দিস ইজ কলাম, টেবিল নেম কোনটা? পার্সন ডট অ্যাড্রেস ইজ দ্য টেবিল নেম। আপনি জিনিসগুলো বুঝতেছেন এখানে? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, রাইট, একটা ডিলিট করতে হবে। ইদার ওয়ান, হ্যাঁ ইদার ওয়ান ডিলিট করতে পারবেন। হ্যাঁ, এখন দেখেন তারপরে লাল দাগ আছে কেন? হ্যাঁ হুম, হুম। ওই যে হাইলাইট থাকলে আপনারা বলতেছিলাম না, এই জিনিসটাই বলতেছিলাম। না না ওইখানে যান কেন আবার? হোয়াই ইউ গোয়িং ডাউন দেয়ার? ডোন্ট গো ডাউন দেয়ার। আপনি শুনে জিনিসটা শিখেন। আপনি ডান নিচে দাঁড়ানো দরকার নাই তো। এই যে না কন্ট্রোল জি দিয়ে করবেন, তারপরে ওই যে উপরে যে অ্যারো বাটনটা ছিল না, ওখানে ক্লিক করেন। হ্যাঁ এখানে ক্লিক করেন, এই চলে আসছে দেখছেন। সো এখন কিছু করেন না, জাস্ট হোল্ড অন রাইট দেয়ার, কিছুই করেন না, আমার কথা শুনেন আগে। এখন যদি আপনি কিছু টাইপ করেন, এনিথিং ইউ টাইপ, এখন কি হবে জানেন? অ্যাড্রেস পুরোটা মুছে যাবে, ওইটা টাইপ হবে। জাস্ট জিনিসটা বুঝেন না, আমি বলতে চাচ্ছি জিনিসটা দেখেন, আমরা দেখাবো। কিছু কোনো টাইপ টাইপ করেন না, বলতে চাচ্ছি এখন যদি আপনি কিছু, আপনি এখন তো সেমিকোলন টাইপ করতে যাচ্ছেন না, এখন যদি আপনি কিছু টাইপ করেন, এনিথিং ইউ প্রেস ইন দ্য কিবোর্ড, কি হবে জানেন? এই অ্যাড্রেসটা মুছা যাবে, মুছা ওইটা টাইপ হবে। এই জন্য হাইলাইট থেকে বের হন, আপনি যে কোনো একটা ক্লিক করেন বাইরে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, এখন সেমিকোলন টাইপ করে এখন ইয়ে করে করেন। রাইট রাইট, কন্ট্রোল এ দেন। আপনি এভাবে করতেছেন কেন? কন্ট্রোল এ কি জন্য তাহলে? না উই ক্যান পুট কন্ট্রোল এ, না কন্ট্রোল এ দেন। হ্যাঁ না না, এগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। দ্যাটস অল, দ্যাটস আই এম সেইং, ইউ হ্যাভ টু প্র্যাকটিস। হ্যাঁ, তখন কি করবেন বলেন? হ্যাঁ করেন তাহলে। হ্যাঁ এখানে করতে পারবেন। না অ্যাড্রেসটা মুছবেন কেন? অ্যাড্রেসটা তো টেবিলের নাম, এই জন্য আপনারা বলতেছি আপনি আপনি ইয়াটা বোঝেন নাই, ওই ফর্মুলাটা বোঝেন না এখনো। আপনি কলাম নেমটা কোথায় যায় এই জিনিসটা বুঝেন আগে, আবার বলি শোনেন। না না জিনিসটা আবার বল। হ্যাঁ বলেন। না না বলেন। রাইট রাইট, ওটা তো থাকবেই। কলাম নেম এইখানে কোন জায়গায় আছে? কলাম নেম বলেন তো, এই কুড়ির মধ্যে কোন জায়গায় আপনি কলাম নেমটা মেনশন করছেন? এইখানে কলাম নেম কোন জায়গাটায় আছে? না শুনেন, আমি বলি পার্সন ডট অ্যাড্রেস, এটা কিসের নাম? রাইট। সো সুতরাং এখানে কলাম নাই, কোনো কলাম এখানে লেখেন নাই। আপনি কলাম লেখছেন এখানে? কলাম লেখেন নাই। ফ্রম, ফ্রম হলো কিওয়ার্ড, এটা কি কলামের নাম? কোনো নাম না। সিলেক্ট কি কোনো কলামের নাম? নাই। এখন দেখেন আপনি বলতেছেন কোথাও কলামের নাম লেখেন নাই, তাহলে সবগুলা কলাম দেখাইলো কি হবে? না, এই জন্য তাহলে কলামের নাম কোথায় লেখছেন আপনি? কলামের নাম তো কোথাও না কোথাও লিখতে হবে, তা না হলে কেমনে আমরা সবকিছু দেখাইলো কেন? সমস্যাটা বুঝেন। সিলেক্ট কি কলামের নাম? কলামের নাম না, রাইট? তারপরে ফ্রম, ফ্রম কি কলামের নাম? কলামের নাম না। পার্সন হলো স্কিমার নাম, অ্যাড্রেস হলো টেবিলের নাম। আপনি কিন্তু কোথাও কলাম মেনশন করেন নাই, করছেন? তাহলে কলাম আসলো কিভাবে? আপনি একবার চিন্তা করেন তো, হায় হায় আমি তো কলাম কোথাও লিখি নাই, তাহলে কলাম কেন আসলো? জাস্ট থিঙ্ক ফর এ সেকেন্ড। হ্যাঁ, এখানে জিনিসটা স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ বুঝেন, ভাগ ভাগ বুঝেন আপনি, তাহলে আপনি জিনিসটা ক্লিয়ার হবে। আমি বলতে যাচ্ছি যে কলামের নাম আপনি কোথাও লেখেন নাই, কিন্তু আবার সব কলাম দেখাই দিল, রাইট? তাহলে নিশ্চয় কলামের নাম কোথাও না কোথাও আছে, আমি আর আপনি শুধু জানি না। আমার পয়েন্টটা বুঝছেন? কলামের নাম, আমি কি বলছি এখানে? আমি বলছি যে অ্যাড্রেসের টেবিল থেকে আমাকে সব কলাম দেখাও, তাই তো বেসিক্যালি। সমস্যাটাকে দেখেন, আপনি যে এই জন্য বলি কনসেপ্টটা ক্লিয়ার না করলে আপনার সমস্যার সরা সবসময় থেকে যাবে। আপনি জিনিসটা বোঝার চেষ্টা করেন আগে। আমি এখানে কি চাইছি, কি বলছি? আমি বলছি যে অ্যাড্রেস টেবিল থেকে আমার সব কলাম দেখাও। সব কলাম দেখাইছে কিনা মনে বলেন তো? সব কলাম দেখাইছে? দেখাইছে। আপনি বলতেছেন যে সব কলাম দেখাইছে, আবার আপনি বলতেছেন যে আমি তো কলামের নাম কোথাও বলি নাই, তাহলে কেমনে দেখাইলো? তাই না?
হ্যাঁ, সবকিছু দেখতে পারবেন মানে সব কলাম দেখতে পারবেন, রাইট? তাইলে কলামের নাম আপনি কোথাও উল্লেখ তো করছেন। কলামের নাম দেখেন, আপনি এখানে বলছেন সিলেক্ট মানে কি দেখাও, রাইট? সিলেক্ট মানে দেখাও, ফ্রম মানে কোত্থেকে দেখাবো আমি, রাইট? সিলেক্ট মানে দেখাও, ফ্রম মানে কোত্থেকে দেখাবো, আর তারপরে আপনি বলছেন স্কিমা নেম আর টেবিল নেম, মানে এই টেবিল থেকে আমার দেখাও সবকিছু, তাই তো? আপনি জিনিসটা স্টেপ বাই স্টেপ বুঝেন। সিলেক্ট স্টার ফ্রম টেবিল, তার মানে আমি কি বলছি, আমি ডাটা বেসে কি বলছি, আমি বলছি আমারে এই টেবিল থেকে সব কলাম দেখাও, তাই তো? তাহলে কলামের নাম আপনি কোথায় লেখছেন? কোথাও না কোথাও লেখছেন, তাহলে সে দেখাইলো কেন? তাই তো? কোথাও না কোথাও লিখছেন, তার নাহলে দেখাইলো কেন, রাইট? কোথায় লেখছেন? স্টারটা কি, স্টারটা কি জন্য? রাইট, রাইট। অল মানে কি? অল কলাম, অল বলেন না, শুধু অল কলাম। স্টার মানে অল না, অল কলাম। তাহলে জিনিসটা বুঝছেন আপনি, এখানে স্টারের জায়গায় স্টার মানে কি? অল কলাম। তাহলে এখন যদি আপনি অল কলাম না চান, আপনি অল কলাম চাচ্ছেন না, আপনি চাচ্ছেন শুধু সিটি, তাহলে কি করবেন? তাহলে স্টার ডিলিট করে দেন, লাইক সিটি লেখেন, দ্যাটস ইট। হ্যাঁ, এখন হাইলাইট করে রান করেন, এখন শুধু আপনার সিটি দেখাবে। রাইট, হাইলাইট করে রান করেন। হ্যাঁ, কন্ট্রোলে। See, showing only one thing. নাও আপনি আবার ইয়া কাজ করেন, সিটা মুছা স্টার দেন ওইখানে। তার মানে স্টার মানে কি? এইখানে আমি কলামের নাম লিখি, আপনি কনসেপ্টটা বুঝছেন? এইখানে আমি কলামের নাম লিখবো, রাইট? এখন সেম জিনিস করেন, হাইলাইট করে রান করেন। এখন মনে করেন আপনি সিটি আর পোস্টাল কোড আমার দেখান, দুইটা কলাম দেখাবেন, কি করবেন তাহলে? হ্যাঁ, না দুইটা কলাম দেখাবেন, দুইটা কলাম, একটা কি, একটা সিটি আর একটা পোস্টাল কোড। হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু আপনার আলাদা করবে, দুইটা তো দুই জিনিস না, দুইটা তো দুইটা কলাম, এক কলাম না, তাহলে আমি কমা দিয়ে নিতে হবে, কমা। হ্যাঁ, কমা দিয়ে নিতে হবে। হ্যাঁ, হ্যাঁ, বানানটা ঠিক, বানানটা ঠিক লাগছে, বানান ভুল লাগছে। হুম, হ্যাঁ, সিওডি। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক। তো আপনি কনসেপ্ট এখন বুঝছেন। আপনি স্টার দিলে সব কলাম দেখায়, আর যদি স্টার মুইসা শুধু কলামের নাম লেখেন, দুইটা তিনটা চারটা পাঁচটা যা লেখেন, তাহলে ওইগুলাই দেখাবে শুধু। হুম, এখন দেখেন, এখন এখন এই জিনিসটা বুঝেন একটু, আপনি তো জানেন না কি, রাইট? আর কি কলাম আছে জানেন? জানেন না তো? আপনি করেন কি, বাম দিকে আসেন, বাম দিকে আসেন, ওই যে অ্যাড্রেস আছে না, যে কলামটা ওপেন করেন। হ্যাঁ, ক্লিক করেন, এখানে সব কলামের নাম আছে, এখান থেকে একটা আপনি দেখে লেখেন। জিনিসটা বুঝছেন কিভাবে পাবেন? জিনিসটা বুঝতে পারছেন? হ্যাঁ, টান দেন, ওখানে নিয়ে যেতে পারবেন, জাস্ট টান দিয়ে নিয়ে যান। হ্যাঁ, আপনি শুধু ঢুকাবেন রাইট জায়গায়, জিনিসটা দেখেন, আপনি একটা বারের মতো সাথে যায়, যেখানে রাখবেন ওইখানেই হবে। এখন আপনি ইয়া করেন, হাইলাইট করে সব রান করেন, কন্ট্রোলে দেন। ওকে, দ্যাটস ইট, ডান। ওকে, সো জিনিসটা বুঝতে না, হাই লেভেল ওয়াইজ কনসেপ্টটা ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে। এখন আপনি করেন কি, শুনেন, দ্যাটস ভেরি নর্মাল, দ্যাটস কমপ্লিট, শুনেন, দিস ইজ এ কমপ্লিটলি ব্র্যান্ড নিউ থিং, অ্যান্ড ইজ ভেরি normal to be confusing. It's not abnormal. It's very normal to be confusing. Because it's a completely brand new thing for you. So of course you'll be confused, right? It's very, yeah, it's totally right. So I completely understand. Don't worry about it. What I'm saying is, it's completely brand new. It will be confusing. That's completely fine. But you have to practice. There is no excuse for it. You have to practice. Yeah. হ্যাঁ হুম right same thing, whatever you're doing, you do same thing. Yeah, তাহলে আপনি তাহলে একটু প্র্যাকটিস করেন আজকে বাসায়। আমি বাসায় আসি সারাদিন। whenever you have a problem you let me know. ওকে, হ্যাঁ আপনি করেন প্র্যাকটিস। এটা তো আপনারই স্ক্রিন, নাথিং টু ডু উইথ মি, বুঝছেন? আমার মনে হয় আই থিঙ্ক দে লেফট, নো প্রবলেম। ওকে তাহলে হ্যাঁ, কিপ প্র্যাকটিসিং, লেট